Das war auch deine liebste Stelle, oder?
Ah, that's better.
Ben je nou bezig? Ik moet dichterbij staan. Nu veel dichterbij staan dan. Gisteren werkte dit niet, maar toen waren we echt geweest.
Flies are starting to bother that third lioness in the bush there. She might come and join. Not much left. The little male's got possession of most of the kill there. He will be quite defensive of it, even though the others are older than him. Oh, the flies as he goes. Huh?
Hier wel veilig. Het is nog niet het huisje. So these are all female?
Just this one that's set down now is the male.
Which one? The one is eating?
The smaller one, yes. But he's not even 2 years old, so he doesn't really count yet. Just shine in the meat, right? Right in the meat. There, that's it. That's perfect. It's a nice colour there. You can see the diaphragm of the animal there.
Oh, er is nog een hoorn.
Ja, dat zit hem.
Zie.
Nog een keer meenemen, Johan. Pak hem even.